It's your favorite cutie Mel. Here to talk to you guys about a video that I recently watched that was about 5 apps that you can make money from on your phone. I decided that I was going to check out these apps and actually kind of vet them out a little bit to see if they were legitimate, because I was like, well, maybe I can just make some extra money on apps. So I decided that I was going to check it out. And I'm just going to explore with you guys what I found. I'm not going to say that it's kind of like a scam, and sometimes people make videos kind of just like probably just to get the views real quick because they know people are looking for extra sources of income. Some of these I feel like possibly could be something. The other ones I'm not so sure about. But I picked the 3 that I felt like were most like the top 3 on her list. So let's check it out. First, we're going to start with Foap. This is what their app looks like. Foap. This is an app for people who want to use their pictures. It could be selfies. It could be pictures of products, like just pictures that you take yourself to make money. So basically what happens is, I'm going to show you guys like a screenshot from this app. So basically on this app, you'll have a feed where you can join different missions and like submit your photos to go towards different campaigns. So it says like for this, for instance, it said there's $200 in rewards. And when it says rewards, I'm not sure if that means that if you're chosen, you will get $200, or if that means that whoever is posting this has $200 to pick out a certain amount of winners. And the reason why I feel like this app is, I guess people do make money. I've seen a lot of people who seem to be actively engaging on the app. I guess if you're like a photographer and you don't mind, constantly submitting your photos, then you may possibly get something, but it's not like a for sure thing. So I felt like it's kind of misleading because it's like you can make money, but then also like pretty much every single campaign that I looked at, like they pick winners. So it says we will reward winners every 10 days. So you have like a time frame to participate. All participants who upload good quality photos. So the way that it was presented is just like, oh, you have all these selfies on your phone. Maybe if they're really good, they could possibly win. But it seems like, if you have an interest in photography and you actively are taking photos, you might be able to, make some extra income on this. But it doesn't seem like it's super lucrative. But I did see some different campaigns that had like up to $500 in rewards. I don't think I'm going to participate in this just because I'm not really into submitting if it's not really going to be like a surefire thing. But I guess if you're like a photographer, or you just have a lot of photos and you want to get paid for them, and possibly have your photos used in like ads and stuff like that, because basically the whole point of this app is for these companies or whoever these people are to be able to pay like less for not copyrighted photos, so they can use them on their site or to advertise and those generic photos and all that different stuff. So I guess that's the point of this. Let me see what else I found while on here. So this is just a video, a screen recorded video that I took of the app. So this is just like the main feed. And then I'm just checking through. This is the explore page, so you can see the kind of quality photos that are on here. Not all of them are super like have super quality, so you can take pictures on your phone if this is something that you're interested in. I guess you can make money. You see how some of them say like $500, and I'm assuming that some of these campaigns, in order to even join the mission, you have to have Foap coins, which we saw. Hold on, I'm about to replay. Let's see, because it says Foap coins, and basically you have to get coins. So I'm assuming that for some of these campaigns, if you want to enter, you have to actually pay something in order to even get in there. But as you can see, we can look through, like you can have albums, you can promote and sell your portfolio on here. You can withdraw money, so you can make money on it. But I just feel like the pros is if you're like a photographer and you are really good at shooting, you just have like a lot of photos sitting around, that yeah, you might be able to make some money. I'm not sure how much, because I'm not personally going to go through it with the app, but I just feel like it's worth it to kind of explore these things that people kind of just say, oh, you can make money online, like, you know, what's the quality of it, you know? So this is just like my review. I would say it's not super lucrative. You probably can make maybe a couple $100s if you submit to a few, but it seems like you also have to pay to submit. So just depends, you know. You might be able to get the full $200 or the full $500. If so, that's a pretty good payout, but just keep in mind it's not automatic, so it's not guaranteed that you're going to get paid. However, it seems like they have a lot of campaigns that you can apply to. So, you know, if you have photos laying around, if you're a photographer, if you take good quality pictures on your phone, you might want to check that out. Okay, let's check out this next one, which is Wrapify. This is what their app looks like. Wrapify is basically, you know, they wrap your car, or you get paid to put magnets on your car or to wrap your car. You get paid to advertise. So I decided to also look into this app a little bit further, because a lot of these people will say, you know, oh, you can make money doing this and you can do that, but they don't really go into depth about like how you make the money, what are the qualifications. So I felt like, you know, this would be a cool video to kind of explore some of these options that people are throwing out there, to see like what is the quality of these the suggestions that they're giving. Okay, so basically when you sign in, you're going to have to put in your information and basically share your location, and you're first going to have to go through some sort of qualifying mode. We're looking for consistency in your daily drive. So basically this would probably only be good for you if you're always constantly driving multiple days a week, which I assume with gas being so high, you know, I don't know how much you actually get paid. I know that I had applied for Carbitize like a while ago, and I know that their campaigns typically ran about like $300-$200 per whatever the pay period is. I think it's per month, because I was looking into it just to pay off like my car note every month. I was just like, well, okay, whatever, I don't care about that. Yeah, so I'm assuming that it's probably around the same. We can look it up further and see, but I'm assuming it depends on who the advertiser is and which campaign. But I would say that maybe if you wrap your car, you can look forward to getting a couple $100s. So I feel like this is only good for you if you already are driving. Like, say you go to work every day and you have like a long commission to and from, like 20 miles to and fro. It might be good for you because, you know, you're already driving those miles. I would say it's not going to be such a great option if you don't drive that much and you're forcing yourself to drive up to like 50 miles. You know, but let's see. We are in the process of matching you to advertisers. In order to qualify for campaigns, you need to log at least 50 miles of driving with the app. Keep driving and we'll send you a message. So basically, I guess they're just going to monitor how much you drive once you get the app, before they even send you any type of advertisements, to make sure that you drive enough to even, you know, qualify to wrap your car. But like I was saying, this probably wouldn't be a good option for you if you don't drive that much. Like, you know, maybe, you know, you drive less than 50 miles. Maybe everything is super close to you. So this wouldn't really be a solution for you if you're just trying to get some extra money. And it doesn't seem to be a fast process. Okay. Let's see what else. So Google Opinions rewards. This is what the app looks like. Google Opinion rewards. I thought that this was kind of cool. I'm like, the way she was talking about it, she made it seem like you was really getting some real money. However, let's look at what I found. So doing some research. So I wanted to know how much you actually made. How much can you make on Google Opinion? Google Opinion rewards. In exchange for your participation, you'll get credit up to $1 for each response. The Google Play, blah, blah, blah. Okay, but that's if you want to do that. But basically, per opinion, you'll get like 10 cents to $1. And you have to have $2 to be eligible to receive rewards. So Apple users can cash out the value of their earnings to their PayPal account. So basically, you're not getting paid much from this. So I just feel like it's even kind of, yes, you're making money, so I guess it's not deceiving, but I feel like the assumption when you look at a video and it's telling you like, oh, make money off your phone, is that you can actually like make something that's going to be significant. Because I don't see, I don't know, if you have to do like 20 questionnaires in order to make $20, I just don't feel like that's worth the time. But that's up to you guys. If you feel like, I don't know, maybe you can have your kids do it or something. And then I went on, so this will be an example. It just shows you, I didn't get paid for this one, but they just wanted to show me what it would be like. So I guess you can do a lot of these. I'm gonna play the video. So it's like, what is your favorite type of dessert? You answer like different questions, and they're gonna ask you like, you know, your age and stuff when you sign up, so they can just gather data to help advertisements and advertisers and stuff like that. So, you know, if you're into that, cool, whatever. You guys can check out Google Opinion Rewards. And this is just what the dash looks like when you sign up. Okay, last thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is, let's see, where is it? Top of the morning I shine up through the night. Okay, so next thing was like mystery shopping, which I'm actually super interested in, just because I was talking about this with someone else, and sometimes mystery shoppers get like paid a certain amount of money in order to do these mystery shops and walkthroughs. So let's just see what you can potentially make. Let's just Google it real quick. So I think it's called Field. Let's see, what is it? Oh, it's called Field Agent. So let's see. How much money can you make on Field Agent app? Okay, wow. Great app and system. There are some as low as $2 to $3, and assignments could easily take 30 to 40 minutes to complete, especially including travel time and gas to get to the store. Home Depot and Low Jobs pay $3, and they want around 20 pictures and 60 questions answered sometimes. Does that sound worth it to you guys? A couple dollars? Like, damn, you can at least pay 20. At least pay for the gas on the way over. How much can you make? How much money can you make? Field Agent pays between 3 to 15, okay, for each job you complete. So I guess if you do like a run of multiple of these jobs, like say you're just bored on the weekend or something and they're paying like $15 each, I guess you could make at least a little something, at least enough to like get you some lunch and some gas, I guess. For the most part, the jobs take typically anywhere from a few minutes to 30 minutes to complete. The good thing is that there are some jobs that don't even require you to leave your home. Okay, so I guess that could be worth it if you don't have to. Let's see. Average base salary. The average salary for a field agent is $45. Wow, almost $50,000 per year in the United States, and that's almost 400 salaries reported. So I guess that could be worth it. I feel like out of all of them, I haven't been able to get that much information on the app yet because I just signed up for these things today, just kind of check out to see if people are just giving fluff out, which I feel like a lot of it is fluff. But I think if you're going to try anything or any of these apps that can potentially make money, you should try out the Field Agent. And that is the last one that we checked out. If you guys like these kind of reviews and you guys want to send me videos that you want me to check out the apps, or like these make money online video suggestions. I will check them out and I will report back to you guys here on this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more of this, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Will you be trying any of these apps to make money? Have you done any of these so far? And if you have, please leave your review down below and let us know how it went for you, how much money you're able to make, and things of that nature. As I always say, Pasha, stay cute. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.